Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video. This video is going to be all about this VPART wig. Yes, VPART. Not a U, but a V.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my
So this is a 150 density VPART wig. This is from Klaiyi Hair. All the links will be down in the description box if you are interested in checking out this particular unit along with any of their other units. So the VPART is basically the revamped, relaunched, remodeled U-part wig. So the traditional U-part wig has a U-part shape left to leave out hair on the top for a more natural look. Not everyone is into full coverage wigs, closure wigs, lace wigs. So the U-part gives you the option to switch out your hairstyle, get those everyday natural looks with extensions without the hassle. One thing about U-parts, and along with this V-part, you don't always have to have braids. So for someone that doesn't know how to braid their hair or braid their hair the best, that doesn't matter when it comes to installing this wig. The top of this wig is constructed very differently. As far as this V-part wig, it is constructed super flat. The way the V is constructed, it allows you to leave out the least amount of your natural hair possible. So a little bit more about the V-part wig. This is an upgraded hairline, so it's super thin. There's 2 inches of hand-woven lace next to the hairline, so it's more realistic to wear. There's also 5 clips around the hairline, so it requires no glue, no gel, none at all. So once again, this is the curly texture. There's 24 inches, 150 density. This is in the natural color. So you can get this in 14 inches all the way up to 24 inches. The 14 inch starts at $145 and the 24 inches $300.
Trying to get me off my Q's and P's. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep.
Another pro to the V-part is you can switch your style. So this is your center part. But being that it's a V, you can always shift your part to the side so you can have a side part. So you can have a middle part today, you can have a side part tomorrow, you can have another side part the day after. It gives you a lot of versatility so you're not stuck with one specific hairstyle. It wasn't much to blend my hair with this. I use very little heat. I use a flat iron on a low setting and then I use wands. Very little piece of my hair along with the hair from the wig. That's what I did. You don't have to do that, but my hair curl pattern is not like this. I'm more of like a kinky, so I did that just to blend it. As far as the hairline, all I did was use some edge control, slicked it up, slicked it back, and that was about it. But as far as the natural look, I'm just gonna give y'all some close-up shots so you can see what I'm talking about, because yeah, this is not clockable. Nobody's clocking this, okay? You can look and stare all you want. You're not gonna see nothing. So my final thoughts on this wig, I believe that this was an excellent idea. We needed an upgrade to the U-parts. For the past year, I've seen the resurface of U-part wigs. I've seen them become super popular again. The U-parts have definitely made a comeback, and it was definitely time for an upgraded version. I love this because I personally have experienced heat damage from installing U-part wigs. And I'm a person that I don't use heat on my natural hair every day if I'm wearing a U-part, but I still experience heat damage. So I honestly feel, and I suggest, the least hair that you leave out, the better. better for you, better for your hair, and it also blends a lot better. So definitely check all the links in the description box if you're interested in checking out a VPART wig. This curl pattern is super pretty. It is in the natural color. This is not wet. This is in the dry state. I'm sure you could get some bomb fire styles if you was to wet this down and put some product in here. But my hair is just not going to blend with that. So we're not doing that. And I will see you in the next video.
Keep flowing, hit the gas, keep going. Yeah, them girls on tour, going city after city.